I'm confused. Why do I have to keep repeating my online assignments? Pearson won't grade them. This is Brother Barnes attempting to deal with problems as we reach them, crossing the bridge as we reach it. This is COVID-19. This could apply anytime, but one of the things that I want to say right now is that the whole entire world is using online as a mode of education because we are social distancing. We are not meeting together. So remember that there is probably most likely a massive lag. Whenever you submit an assignment through Pearson, it may not pop up immediately in your grades. Now, here is what creates the multi-leveled storm. If your teacher, like me, has given you multiple attempts to do a certain task so that you can get it right, that could actually complicate this matter because you could actually do the assignment, but then if you haven't waited for Pearson to assign the grade, when you go back in, you once again will be allowed to attempt the task again. It will appear as if you're working and nothing is happening. So think about that. This is Brother Barnes. I just want to say I am so proud of you. Keep up the good work. Just the other day, a student told me, Dr. Barnes, I went from 0 online classes to 6. So I realize that a lot of you are going from 0 to 60 in only a few seconds. And just be patient. And this is all going to work out.